Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make your Discord server the need for like an application for people to be able to join your server, which I just found out like today you can do that. But if you go to the server settings section here, there's going to be an access tab here, and there's going to be invite only, apply to join, which is new and discoverable. I'm going to select apply to join for this one, and as you can see, you can add questions. You'll need to add a minimum of 1 question and a maximum of 5 questions. And here you can basically add another question to it, or you can edit the question that you have here. It says, why do you want to join our server? Then add another question. Maybe you can select either a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. You can also add in a server rule. So for instance, multiple choice, it says like, what's your favorite color? If you you can, for instance, only join if it's like pink. I don't know. This is just obviously an example. Blue. I'm going to select pink here, or I don't think it matters actually. Select save, and then you can select these questions from the example questions. Say, do you play any of the same games as us? Maybe like multiple. Can I like change it? How do I change it? I want to change it to like multiple choice, but then you're going to select save changes. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can get people to apply to join your server. If you want to remove that, just like invite only, and they can just join your server whenever. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.